Of my 34 years of teaching, this is the worst class I come across. This is one of the worst class I have come across. I don't know what is wrong with you guys. Your parents send you to school to make something out of yourself, and you come here, I don't know, make a fool of yourself. This is one of the worst class I have teach in all my years of teaching. Huh? What is wrong with you? When you think it's my time, you know, waste. And my time, you know, still think of my time, you know, waste, man. Me know when me know already.
I'll go and look, you know. Yeah, come in, have a seat. What brings you with it? Checking the prostate? No, you know, I'm good still. Yeah, man, you know, see, I feel like mom shot me. Really? That's unfortunate. Well, explain your symptoms better to me so I better understand it. It was me to tell you how they feel like gun nozzle. It's a spitfire. It was them heavy like spank shell. I don't know what to tell you that. That's so me feel. That's very descriptive. Okay, let me see it. Come here. What? See what, sir? You know what I'm talking about. Let's not play games here. Pull your pants down and let me take a look at it. Take a look at your blood clot. Hey, Dr. Boy, I'm going to pull you in here, you know. You don't kill you and give me a come chat, but you want to see man cocky. You're batty, man. Oh, no, sir. No funny business here. This is just routine procedure. Just pull your pants down and let me examine it to see if there is anything. They send you home a while ago in a doctor, but since it's a procedure. Yes, come here. Understand. See there. Oh, I see. Very long and girthy. You must do well with the ladies. Good for you. Now stroke it for me. What? Stroke what? No, Ratty boy, you have to dead. You know, you have to dead to them. You have to kill you now. No, sir, relax. This is just to see if there's any inflammation building up inside. I swear, nothing funny, sir. Nothing funny. Just relax. Yo, make sure you know that. Any wrong move, I'm missing you to the tomb. Believe. Okay, sir. No need for that. No need for that, sir. Come here. Alright, let me see then. No! AIDS that. No, AIDS AIDS, sir. We get rid of someone out like countryman. Jesus Christ, that no good again, man. Dash for that, man. That for dash right. AIDS, man. I have to get rid of someone.
Mommy, my friend them outside of the gate right now. I just go out there and just play with them a little bit.
What? You see the time? Go outside in a them hours, yeah? What am I say? You know you're sick. You're sick. I saw your tongue lang.
What?
Cause you must lick your head. Why you want to go them hours, yeah? You know amount of things can happen outside right now. Eh? And you talk about you can go outside and the sun never shine. You lick your head. Go on in your room, you're not going nowhere. Nowhere at all, you're not going nowhere. Hear that? You stay in, you have some my door closed them time, you're not going nowhere.
Hello.
Yeah.
Is Brother Cunningham up there?
Yeah, he up there.
You sure?
Yes, right now.
Because it's been a while I don't see him because I just came from America and I want to know if he's up there because all I know he don't fix the road, man. And the road is so bad and I have the arthritis here and I don't want to fall, you know.
It's bad, but you can reach. You can go.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Oh, my God. Yeah, man. All right.
Me not go far from you, sir.
Brother Cunningham!
Who that, sir?
It's your friend Little,
What
man.
y'all say?
It's been 50
Come
years
on.
now. Oh, my God. The road, man. Brother Cunningham, can you get one of your grandkids come assist me, please?
Don't move. Look at Tutu's going down there. I'm going to help him up there for me. Little one. How you that, sir? Little, don't move. Tutu's going to make you. Go on down there. Don't worry, man. Stay right.
Alright, man, and I just did operation on this knee. Brother Cunningham, what's up, man? Get away. Get away. Okay.
No, man. You know, bite, man.
Just want to know.
I found you one. Don't put one more.
It's been a while I don't see you.
Master, me there, and you still look little.
Oh, it's been 50 years, man. Just kidding.
Telling you. Someone I know. How things?
And, you know, a lot of changes. I got divorced about 2 times. I lie. My first wife, she robbed all the money. Man, my second wife, it didn't work out. Jesus.
It come like, you want me do your something. Me did it, but me never see nothing what happen. I know me. Dad, you talk, eh? Me asked you for the last time. You just stream to you know, come on. Alright.
Hello, soup, hold it, soup. You know, so that boy, they want a little troublemaker.
Where I say soup?
You have to kill him with lick to get all the information.
I got some come on, you know nothing about me. Come on, I feel more like me. Why you don't like what them? Hey, sit down back, you know, where you stand up for? Me tell you stand up. Oh, yo, my God. I'm going to think of slap me up in my head.
It's time to go come over. You, Jonathan Green, and you too, Christopher. You rule the day you ever mess with me. Now that my powers have manifested.
What?
You see this dog?
You go on before you get hurt, brother.
You can't hurt me, none of you. See, I've always wondered. Are you bad because you're a bully? Or are you a bully because you're bad? Either way.
Brother, you watch too much anime in a brother. Me, I broke you up in a brother. Yo, grab him.
Don't touch me! Have you lost your mind? Or do you want to die? Do you know the power I wield?
Stop him, stop the blood clot now.
That barely left the mark. You're kind of weak, Jonathan. But you should have been seeing my strength.
Already blood
I've been
clot.
training. I'm saying that! It's not working.
Take a sing gun.
Is that all you've got? Quit playing around! My pain is far greater than yours!
I don't see me taking you, Tamado.
You know, like you for some cool.
You
better run!
You have an uncle who can bells you.
New powers.
Hey, bro. Give me a number, dog.
Soda. Yeah, if you have ginger beer, you can. What's a soda? Ginger beer, too. Ginger beer. You've always been good to me, so when we take over the world, I'm gonna make sure we keep you around. Respect. What am I putting up in them cereal? Anyway, bag juice.
Telling my Jamaican brothers good night and sweet dreams.
Yo. I still.
Yeah, when I did.
Yeah, bro. I'm bed. Me there. I'm going to say I call her still a good night.
Stop calling your mother. Didn't fuck money, you.
Bro, me can't tell her good night, bro.
You never call your father. You ever think about call your father and tell him good night, batty boy? Oh, from a phone, brother.
Yeah, I'm also like. Literally, I go on my bed and I say, yo, man, I call my brother and just tell him good night.
Brother,
and
9 o'clock in my bumbo clock night, I call my phone about good night. You know, have a girl or something to go call her or something, my youth?
Judge, I'm on the move, so I can't ever talk to my friend and tell her that good night and sweet
Brother,
dreams.
come on from my phone, brother. Suck your mother, brother.
Boop. Yo.
Yeah, I said.
Yeah, man, nice style.
Yeah, bro. What about?
There, bro. I'm betting my both to go and say me a call and tell her good night and sweet dreams.
Boy.
Eh?
Where you go?
Hold on, turn down your music, me not hear.
Where you go?
No, I'm not gonna. I'm just a call of it. I'm bet me I go and tell her say me a call and tell her good night.
Yeah, batty man.
Hey, me can't tell her good night, bro.
No, weird, bro.
Weird.
I first say I said this. I first.
Bro, me can't tell her good night and sweet dreams, bro.
I first, man. So up and come back.
Judge, dog.
What?
Like, me can't call my friend them and tell them good night. Can we see what Nick or David? Tell my friend Nick good night. Jaja. I'm not talking about my mother that. Yo. There, dog. I'm betting my boy for go, dog. I'm saying just a shout and tell her good night and sweet dreams.
Suck your mother, boy. I will just sweet dreams, party boy.
You can't tell her good night, bro?
No, not tell me not good night, brother.
Try, bro.
We go there, you're going to bed, brother. We just go
I'm going to bed still, dog. Sweet dreams.
Yeah, dog. Love you, dog. Love you.
Ah, bro. Love you, bro.
Yeah, dog.
Stop. That hurts.
You know me did think me and you could be friends. Can't do it again. Me I got murder your blood. Curry goat me I go have tonight.
Bro, none of the most of me have
Wait, you ready, bro? My most.
Okay, settle down. Your teacher, who has been out on a sabbatical or a sick leave, if you will, has finally returned back to school. Okay? So I want you to all give him a warm welcome and a lending ear, as he says he's ready to share with you exactly what happened to him over the break. Mr. Caravan, good morning, class. As I'm sure you've heard, someone very close to me has passed away very tragically. Oh no, sir. What happened?
Yes, sir. Tell me what happened? Who died? What happened?
It's very tragic. Every time I talk about it, it brings tears to me. I don't have to share it. It's too hard for you. Easy. No, it good. Me can manage. Alright, well. Can't run over my grandmother. She did up on the road. Cause she go buy cash pot. And one maniac lose control of the car. And he can clean up on the sidewalk. And slam her up in our wall. Oh no. That is a very tragic way to die indeed. Oh no, that never kill her. By some miracle she survived that and get up. But it's like she didn't want to get revenge for the car, but when the car crash, she take out the Glock from her bosom. Hold on, teach. Hold on. I don't want to see anyone laughing. I don't want to see anyone laughing. It takes a big man to cry in front of his students. I don't want to see anyone looking at Mr. Caravan's tears and think it is funny. It's not a small feat to cry in front of his students. It takes a big man to do that. Okay? Go ahead, Mr. Caravan. Alright. Same time she take out the Glock from her bosom. Police them to reach by the scene and they will tell her to drop the weapon, but she didn't come back late for the crash. She didn't hear them. And when I police them, sneak up on her from behind. I put my grandmother in our full Nelson headlock. Hold on, Mr. Caravan. Hold on. Nothing at all no funny about what Mr. Caravan I say. Nothing. Of course this man a cry. Them put in grandmother in a full Nelson headlock. You know what is a full Nelson? In grandmother. And she raised him. Of course my cry. Me not cry too. Okay? Okay? Go ahead, Mr. Caravan. Right. Them whole her, but she never let go of the gun. So the police hold her and give her one RKO head slap. When he slam her head box off, I tore her to the sidewalk. And the other police used that and give her 17 gunshots in her back. 17!
wish one out of that start laugh. Me just wish one out of that start laugh because me know I don't think it's funny. Me know. When the teacher there start crying with nose not out of her nose, I talk about the artery and granny. You know what? Nothing at all not funny about that. Nothing. A big man tears this. Big man. Go ahead.
Day one with Jamaican son-in-law. 1 month with Jamaican son-in-law. Big up yourself, me G. Mud. Respect. Few months with a Jamaican son-in-law. Me just yam some curry chicken bag. Mud. 3 months with a Jamaican son-in-law. Boom clot. What a poom fart. Psst. Empress.
When you get the new clocks, the daddy, I wish color that, I did no party. And you alone have the style, the daddy. The queen for England have love of yardy.
Real bad man, no muggle in a shorts. Straight jeans, cut off foot pants. Everybody have the axe when me get my clocks. Everybody have the axe when me get my clocks. The leather hard, the sweat soft. Toothbrush get out the dust fast.
Beg you some poom. Come out to the Bumbleclot Road. What you say? What the Bumbleclot?
It come like, you want me do your something. Me did but me never see nothing what happen. I know me. Dad, for talk, eh? Me asked you for the last time. You just drink to you, come on. Alright.
Hello, soup, holy soup. You know, so that boy there one little troublemaker.
Where you say soup?
You have to kill him with lick to get all the information.
I got some come on, you know nothing about me. Come on, I feel more like me. Why you don't like what them? Hey, sit down back, you know, where you stand up for? Me tell you stand up. Oh, yo, my God. I'm going to think you know, slap me up in my head.
Call her. Audrey! Audrey, send on the man things them. Big ugly Audrey. Audrey! Send on.
What is it? The last? Are you deaf? Eh? You know you must say me are you left? Eh?
You come for my things then.
So you think I'm afraid that you're your friend them? Where you bring your friend them come here for? Let me tell you this now. Are you alone? I go come in here so. Yeah? None of them there can't come in here. Yeah? And do it fast too.
Send on the man things them, you're big and ugly like one. You work? Don't want to pray down. Go in there with the man.
So I want you. Saying that's a dog.
Dog in the yard? What kind of dog? A pitchy bull? Bring them come here, my boss.
Bring them. Different things them, my boss.
We can't hold on the man things them.
Different things them.
Give me them. Go back, go on for the rest of them.
Go for the rest.
No more, and I eat this.
Everything?
Yeah.
Come.
Hey! You forget this.
Dummy on the beat, so it's a banger.